Hey guys, good afternoon. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. I've got a 2015 factory built B386 glider kit to show you. I built with a pre-emission 12.7 liter Detroit, 13 speed. Got 842 total on the clock, 0 miles on the overhaul. Got it hot, so I'm going to do a full walk around, show you underneath the hood, frame rails, blow by on the engine, finish up on the inside, interior condition, and oil pressure. Let's go ahead and get started. Just came out of detail. Body and paint looks really good, shines really well. All the aluminum's been sanded and polished. Bottom part of the bumper, and some rock packs up on the front. Nothing uncommon, nothing unusual on a little bit older used truck. Overall, your paint's really good, your body's really good. Frame rails look really nice. Air side fifth wheel, all aluminum wheels. Had some rust on that rear chunk that's been cleaned up and repainted. Nothing inside your frame rails, nothing on the exterior. Brakes look good. Only other rust that's been on here is the typical fifth wheel plate there, just the plate that mounts up to the frame rail. It's got some on there, but that's it. It does have this tri-pack APU. I have not fired it up myself, but everything seems to be there. The only damage anywhere I see on it, on this rear fairing. Platinum interior, excellent seats, interior's clean. Great side, low side oil pressure has dropped a little bit since I came back out on the temp there, so this oil pressure will be a little bit lower there as it gets back up to operating temp. Super smooth through the RPMs. Oil pressure climbs like it's supposed to. Guys, I appreciate you watching. If you got questions on this one or any other truck, feel free to give me a call, 901-896-4526. You can also email me to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.